how to set up groups within a center. Welcome to this video guide on setting up groups for your center in the Setup module. Before we begin, make sure you've already entered all your organization details and completed both the General and Spaces tabs for the center you are configuring. Now, let's move on to setting up groups. To start, let's define what a group is. Essentially, a group is how you organize children for registration. Keep in mind that spaces and groups serve different purposes. Spaces refer to the physical areas in your center, like the Ladybugs classroom or the gym. On the other hand, groups are the groupings of children for registration purposes. These are usually reflected in your program plan with your licensing officer. The sum of all group capacities should match your total licensed capacity. In our example, we have a group called the Sunbeams. This group includes infants aged 12 to 18 months, with a capacity for 8 children. Note that this group includes nap time. Now, onto the program column. We'll explore this further in a separate video. In brief, for online registration, you typically won't have parents sign up directly for specific groups like Sunbeams or Ladybugs. Instead, they'll register for broader programs. Programs can be categorized like summer program, infant program, pre-K program, and so on. Each program may include multiple groups. For example, the preschool program might have just one group, the Raccoons, or it might include others. If you have multiple groups, such as the Raccoons and the Chipmunks, both can be part of the preschool program. To add a new group, click the plus sign. To remove one, select the group, click the menu icon, and choose Delete. To duplicate a group, use the copy icon. Let's now examine the fields available when adding or editing a group. Here, you can name the group and assign a color code. This coloring of groups acts as a visual cue to organize your groups, maybe yellow for infant and toddler groups versus blue for preschool and pre-K groups. Next, select the license type, which indicates whether the group falls under a daycare, preschool, or out-of-school care license. Note that license options shown vary by state and province. Next, designate the group's homeroom. For instance, the Wales group might typically use the Wales classroom as their home space. Even though they may visit other areas like the gym, this is considered their main homeroom. Now, specify the maximum capacity for the group, which is the licensed limit for registrations or the max number of children you are permitted to have in that group at any given time. You should also indicate whether the group offers nap time and then define the age range for children eligible to be enrolled in the group. Clearly setting these age limits is crucial. For instance, if your group is for toddlers and doesn't include preschool children, a child aging into the preschool bracket will trigger an error. This error occurs because the child's age no longer fits within the group's allowed range. So, even if no space is available in an older group yet, the system will flag the child. To prevent these errors, it's a good idea to set a standard age range with a slight overlap. This buffer allows growing children to remain in their current group until registration space opens up in an older group, without triggering a warning. However, only add an overlap if your licensing approvals permit it. If your local regulations are strict, you do want the system to flag a child the exact moment they outgrow the group so you stay compliant.